Did you know that octopuses have 3 hearts? Yeah, you heard that right. 3 hearts. It's not just a quirky fact, it's a vital part of how these incredible creatures survive in the deep blue sea. So let's dive right in. 2 of those hearts are dedicated to pumping blood to the gills. You know, those feathery organs where the octopus gets its oxygen. The water flows over the gills, and in exchange, the octopus takes in that sweet, precious oxygen while releasing carbon dioxide. It's like a little underwater breathing machine. But what's really mind-blowing is the 3rd heart. That heart is responsible for pumping oxygen-rich blood to the rest of the body. But here's where things get wild. When an octopus swims, the heart that pumps blood to the body actually stops beating. I mean, can you imagine that? It's like running a marathon and deciding to take a break from, well, pumping blood. So why does this happen? Well, swimming is a pretty energy-intensive activity for an octopus. When they swim, they rely heavily on their gills to get the oxygen they need. And that means that the heart responsible for pumping the rest of the blood takes a breather. It's a trade-off. Swimming can make them vulnerable to predators, so they conserve energy in the most unique way possible. Picture this, an octopus gracefully gliding through the water, its body undulating in hypnotic rhythms. But while it's showing off its swimming skills, that heart is taking a well-deserved break. This adaptation allows octopuses to be the masters of stealth and surprise in their ocean playground. And if you think that's fascinating, wait till you hear about their blood. Octopus blood is a brilliant blue. Yep, why? Because instead of hemoglobin, which makes our blood red, they use a copper-based molecule called hemocyanin to transport oxygen. This adaptation is super helpful in cold, low-oxygen environments. It's like they've got their own special delivery system. Now let's talk about their incredible intelligence. These guys are not just heart machines, they're problem solvers. Octopuses can escape from nearly any enclosure, navigate mazes, and even use tools. You might think they're all about the tentacles, but their brains are just as impressive. Imagine an octopus figuring out how to unscrew a jar to get at a tasty treat inside. It's like something out of a cartoon. They're curious little beings and can even change colors and textures to blend in with their surroundings. But hold on a second. With all this amazingness, there's a darker side. Octopuses have a short lifespan. Most species live only 3 to 5 years. After mating, females devote their last months to caring for their eggs, often refusing to eat during that time. It's a bittersweet ending to a life filled with intelligence, beauty, and a heart-pumping adventure. So next time you see an octopus, remember, you're looking at a creature with 3 hearts, blue blood, and a brain that rivals some of the smartest animals on the planet. They're not just swimming, they're thriving in their unique way, navigating through life with an extraordinary circulatory system that's anything but ordinary. Octopuses are the perfect example of how nature surprises us with its creativity. They're living proof that there's so much more to the ocean than meets the eye. Just when you think you understand the wonders of the sea, creatures like the octopus come along and remind you how much we still have to learn. So the next time someone mentions octopuses, you can wow them with the incredible fact about their 3 hearts. Because really, who wouldn't be fascinated by such an extraordinary creature?